John Deere Precision Construction helps maximize uptime and lower costs through John Deere Connected Support. Here's how it works. If your machine produces a diagnostic code during operation, it is delivered via JDLink connectivity to several places. That code is transmitted through the cloud, where it's sent to our Machine Health Monitoring Center and your dealership's Machine Monitoring Center. Owners or fleet managers can set up JDLink to notify them of diagnostic codes as well. Next, a dealer technician will analyze the code and contact you to discuss the issue and solution. Sometimes it's as simple as sending a software update to the machine to alleviate the issue, getting your operator right back to work. Or if the solution requires a specific part, a technician can arrive at your site, part in hand, to get you back up and running. In addition to speeding up repairs, John Deere Connected Support can also help prevent downtime altogether. Data from your fleet is analyzed along with data from all other connected machines around the globe at our Machine Health Monitoring Center. If a specific machine model consistently experiences the same issue, analysts will spot the trend, determine where the problem originates, create a fix, and share an expert alert with our entire dealer network. It could be as simple as ensuring that a certain operating mode is selected in a specific condition or application. Dealers can then proactively provide that advice to customers to prevent potential future downtime. Or maybe a machine design or component can be changed at the factory to prevent future problems on new machines yet to be manufactured. Whether it's a machine that's been in the field for years or one being prepared to roll off the line, the John Deere Connected Support process is helping us deliver on our promise of increasing your uptime.